With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge, and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet. Put 1 aluminum foil ball under your pillow before bed. It takes 1 minute, and the difference is bigger than you think. Grab a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It absorbs odors and helps freshen the air. Add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt soaks up moisture and helps the mixture hold its shape. Now take a lime and use the zest. Grate it finely. It has a strong, fresh scent and makes the whole space feel cleaner. Next, add a small amount of toothpaste. It gives an intense, minty freshness, and its thick texture helps everything bind together and keeps the scent lasting longer. Then add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender calms you down, helps you relax, and makes it easier to fall asleep. Mix everything well until it turns into one firm mass. Shape it into one large ball. Wrap it tightly in aluminum foil so it keeps its shape. Poke a few small holes in the foil so the scent releases evenly. Place it under your pillow and leave it overnight. This little ball can make your sleep feel deeper and better. The lavender aroma helps you unwind and drift off more easily. You can also use the same ball in the toilet. Drop one into the tank. With every flush, it will slowly release a fresh scent and keep the water smelling clean for a long time. Put a plastic bag on the toilet seat. Need to use a public restroom but feel disgusted? A simple plastic bag is the solution. This trick has saved me many times in emergencies. I always carry a regular disposable supermarket bag in my purse, but I prepare it in advance. I lay it flat on a cutting board and draw a vertical and horizontal line with a marker. Then, using a sharp utility knife, I cut along the lines, making sure both layers are sliced. I roll up the bag and keep it in my purse for when I need it. If I have to use a public toilet in poor condition, I simply place the bag over the seat. The pre-cut sections drop into the bowl, creating an opening. The plastic acts as a barrier, preventing contact with germs and dirt. For extra convenience, you can also cut the bag directly on the toilet seat by stretching it over the surface and slicing an opening with a knife. After use, just remove the bag and toss it in the trash. This trick is especially useful for parents with young children or people with back problems who need to sit while using the toilet. Don't wipe the toilet seat with paper before using it. Many people, when entering a bathroom that isn't their own, do one thing before sitting down. They grab a piece of toilet paper, fold it, and wipe the seat. Some even dampen the paper with water first. They believe this ensures hygienic conditions. In reality, this is just an illusion and doesn't protect you from bacteria, especially in public restrooms. If you truly want to maintain hygiene, you need a more effective solution. Start by tearing off a piece of toilet paper, wet it under the faucet, and add a bit of liquid soap or sanitizer, which is usually available in most public restrooms. Use this mixture to thoroughly clean the seat, removing most bacteria. Then, take another piece of paper to dry the surface. Only then can you sit down without worrying about germs. Simply wiping the seat with dry or damp paper doesn't offer real protection. To ensure proper hygiene, this simple but effective method is your best option. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, Add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. Apply shaving foam to the broom. Although it may seem strange, this trick is currently trending on the internet. It turns out that shaving foam has a brilliant application in the bathroom. Grab a regular broom, which you probably already have at home. Apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. A broom prepared in this way will be a lifesaver for older individuals or those with spinal problems. Just flip it and spread the foam on the floor around the toilet. This is undoubtedly one of the poorest parts of the bathroom and often difficult to reach. This foam is like soapy foam with a higher content of potassium hydroxide, so it works excellently. Apply it generously, and the broom's bristles will distribute it even into the smallest crevices. Next, cover the toilet seat, bowl, and sides with foam. It will effectively deal with yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After this time, rinse off the foam with warm water. Immediately, you'll see that the tiles and toilet shine. A pleasant fragrance will linger in the bathroom, lasting even for a few days after cleaning. The foam also cleans the grout without unnecessary scrubbing. Drop this powder into the toilet bowl. It will remove stubborn residue and limescale. Without chlorinated and harmful chemicals, you'll get rid of stains and dirt. Cleaning the toilet has never been so simple. You no longer need to ventilate the bathroom during cleaning to get rid of harmful bleach fumes. This powder will tackle a dirty toilet much faster. Prepare a few powdery products, and the residue in the toilet will disappear. Start with regular flour. Flour adheres well to dirt, making it easier to remove. Our grandmothers already used its cleaning properties. Put 3 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt acts as an antiseptic, disinfectant, and abrasive. Add a little baking soda. It has disinfecting, whitening properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. In a few seconds, you'll make a super powder for cleaning dirt. Before cleaning the toilet, first spray its surface with plain water. Then sprinkle the dirt with this powder. Wait about 20 minutes. After this time, take a brush and scrub the toilet. You'll see that the dirt will come off quickly. The toilet will be cleaner than ever.